Hello friends, welcome to the second experiment of your Object Oriented Programming Laboratory second year Information Technology 2019 pattern. Last practical, we have started with basics of Object Oriented Programming using Java. Now let's go for some other concepts where we are going to use multiple methods, calling them by creating multiple classes also, and let's understand the concept that's required to get this particular task done over here in the experiment number 2. So let's see what exactly the experiment number 2 is having. Okay, so it's written identify commonalities and differences between publication, book and magazine classes. Title, price, copies are the common instance variables and sale is common method. The difference are book class has author, order copies, magazine class has method, order quantity, current issue, receive issue. Write a program to find how many copies of the given books are ordered and display total sale of publication. Okay, so this is what we exactly the output expected, and above the structure of the program that is required. So the required structure is like this. I'll just copy the statement from here and then we'll write it here. So let's create a program, one more program here. Let's write something like pubs, okay, publications, like that's what the short form I have given here. Okay, so it will be easy to understand. Okay, so some concepts which may be not completed in the problem statement, but we'll try to satisfy the problem statement which are given over here. Okay, so as per the requirements, we'll try to write this particular code. Fine. Yeah, so it's mentioned that we need to create three classes. I think this is for three classes: publication, book and magazine. Correct. So let's create that class publication, okay, then class book and class magazine. Okay, so three classes we have created as per the statement given first. Okay, let's go for again ahead. Title, price, copies are the common instance variable. Okay, fine. So let's have title, string title, then copies and price. Okay, fine. So it is here we have copies and price. Okay, they are the common instance variables. So let's make them common. Common means same names are there. They are, it's not mentioned that you have to connect by inheritance. So we have separately given there. Okay, and method sale copy is common method. Sale copy is common method. So sale copy, the method I have declared here. Fine. So let's copy this method from here. Okay, and write it in all the classes. Fine. Now the differences are book class has author and order copies. Okay, book class has author. So let's write author here, and one more method that's mentioned there, order copies. So order copies. Fine. Okay, fine. And magazine class has method order quantity, current issue, receive issue. Okay, magazine class. Fine. So void order quantity. Okay, then what's that, current issue and receive issue. Current issue. Okay, maybe you can write some statement inside it because it's not mentioned in the problem statement what to do with these methods. Fine, done. Okay, so till this is completed, write a program to find how many copies of the given book are ordered and display the sale of publication. How many copies of the books are ordered and display total sale of publication. Total sale of publication. Total sale of publication. Correct. So in book, how many copies? So you have to order the copies here. Correct. So let's declare the. Let's import the scanner class. We need to take this data from the user as input. Import java.util.scanner. Okay, so scanner is the class which will be used to read the data from user, and let's create the object of scanner here. To new scanner. Okay, stem dot in. Okay, perfect. And now let's ask the user to enter enter copies, how many copies we require. Okay, so user will enter here. Okay, let's make it print, and now your copies is equal to int dot next int. Okay, next int means it will ask the user to enter, and that will store that data. So next int is the method of the scanner class, which is used to read the integer value from the user, and I have stored that into the copies variable there. Perfect. Okay, now copies, so how many copies, and the given book order, and displays total sale of publication. So here we'll write it here, sale copy. So copies are ordered, and then sale of it. So let's make price fix first. For example, price of the book is 250, and after that let's start. So what I require, they have entered the copies, so total sale, let's have this total sale here, copies into price. Fine, copies into price. So whatever number of copies are there, I have multiplied that copies by price, and then I am printing it on the screen. To total sale, like this, multiply copies by the price. Okay, so magazine is also created. You just can write anything inside it, because it's not mentioned what to do with this. Okay, it's done. It's also completed. Here also it's not mentioned there what to do with the publication. Okay, so total sale, we just can work on the book only. Here order copies and the sale copy. Okay, these two methods are declared, and then we are going to perform operation of writing the methods. Now let's create the object of the book. P is equal to new book. Okay, so let's, so first method is b dot, first of all we have to order copies, yes, and then b dot sale copy, yes. Okay, sale copy. Okay, it will sell the copy as per the price. So price I mentioned 250 here for the respective object of the book. We can take this value from user also, or we can directly put this value here also. It's possible, because if books are multiple, the price is modifiable, dynamic. So you can take this value from user, or you can directly put that value in the constructor parameter of the class book also. So it depends on you, but the goals which are given in the problem statement, okay, they must be satisfied. So I think it's done completely. Let's run this. Enter the copies. How many copies you want? 5. Okay, so total sale is 1250. So 5 into 250. 250 is the cost of the particular book I mentioned there, and based on that we order it, and then we got the result, something like this. So this is the way that we can solve the given problem statements, where we have created the classes, their methods, and the objective of just to solve that how many copies of the given book are ordered, and display the total sale of publication by this particular methods. You can try that. Thank you. Thanks a lot.